Okay, so I let him out earlier. We had this big ass snowstorm, but dogs only got like 15 minutes worth of memory. We're gonna see his reaction now. We got like 2 feet of snow. You ready? You ready, Buzz? Huh? You ready? Why you over there? Come over here. Ready? He usually jets out. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. It's a snowstorm. Go ahead, play in the snow. You ain't with it though. I know you don't like the cold. You gonna pee and you gonna jet right back up in here. You don't wanna go back out? Come on, go back out. Come on, go back out. Come on. No. You don't wanna go back out? Alright. I feel you, bro. It's cold, snowy. Alright, buddy, let's go.